As you can see, I'm standing here in front of the brand new HHV machine. This machine is super utilized for working on extruded bars, from which you can make side seal members, cross members, even body in white components. Without pre-cutting, you can enter the parts from the top, from the front, from the side. It can be automated. It has a high dynamic, suitable for using lubricants or even in dry conditions. This automotive components running on this machine gives you a very high value per square meter output, since the machine is designed to fit in a normal container for export purposes. This gives you a huge advantage when you are short in space. Also in height, the footage on the square meters is very limited. So if it comes back to that, it's a very good value investment and gives you a very quick return on your investment. After seeing this short introduction, I hope I caught your attention and you might be interested in learning in one of the many Modig solutions we can provide. If you're interested or want me to come and visit you to explain more about every possibilities like automation, delivery over everything under one roof, please contact us at www.modig.se. Thank you very much.